Yo, what's up? My name's Jordan Sky. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, thanks a lot for checking me out. I really appreciate that. So I got a package from E.L.F here in E.L.F in the mail, so I'm going to be doing a mini haul for everyone that's watching. Isn't this box so cute? I like the blue color of it. Sorry about the lighting. However, it is rainy here in LA, so my lighting's not that great. My lighting's never really that great anyways because I don't have the equipment yet. Anywho, let me open this box. I'm really struggling. Ugh. There we go. Are you one of those people who, like, you have a box you want to open, but you don't make preparations to open the box, like grab the box cutters or the scissors or even the knife as they do in the islands to open packages? Oh. Why was there this little tab the whole time for me to open the box with these? Oh my gosh. Look at this little pun. Elfing amazing. I feel so stupid. I didn't even see that tab at first. So this, let me see if I can show you the inside. Whoa. This is what the inside looks like. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. Because I'm a child. One more time. Okay, so this is the bite-sized palette in pumpkin pie. So let's open this up and see what some of the colors are looking like. So this is what it looks like. Can you see that? There you go. Let's try this color because it looks kind of ashy. Let's do this. Yeah, it blends right into my skin. This one's better. The brown also blends right into my skin. You can only see the two glittery ones really well. The other two blend right into my skin because I am brown. And they are on the browner sides. So this is pumpkin spice. These two are really creamy though. They're like a creamy consistency. I like that. So that's this one. Okay, so this one I was really excited about because I really love all these fun green colors. So this is hot jalapeno. You probably can't see that because it's white, but let's see, maybe not. So let's just see what these colors are looking like. Open this up. Okay, so let's try, just watch these colors. So we're going to go from this side to this side. So this first color looks like that. Green. Let's try that again. Green looks like that. The green looks like that. And the gold, can you see it? Gold looks like that. You know what? I'm going to do proper swatches and I'll just put it on my Instagram. My Instagram will come up right here, and that is, it's Jordan Sky. This is cooling under eye refresher that I wanted to test out because I have bags under my eyes no matter what I do, no matter if I get enough sleep or not. So I thought maybe this would help with that. So I'm going to be testing this out and I'll update you lot on whether it works or not. Let's just get everything out so I can put the box down. It's kind of in my way. All right. So this is the free gift they gave me, which is just the Aqua Primer Mist. And so I'm see what this hits like. I got an eyebrow pencil because the ColourPop one I was using ran out. I had two of them and they both ran out really quickly, so I wanted to see if maybe this one was better. So I got it in deep brown. And I got an eyebrow stencil kit because I really suck at doing my brows. So I'm hoping this can help me out, and I'll test this out, and I might do a video testing this out so you lot can see too if maybe this will help you out too. And then everybody talks about this, so I thought maybe I should try it too, which is the Putty Eye Primer, and I got it in white. So we'll see if this helps my eyeshadows. It's supposed to last for 12 hours. So, and I have hooded eyes, so trying to get shadows to last, especially since, if you can see my crease like that, or maybe on the side you can see better. Yeah, my crease is like right there because I have hooded eyes. So hopefully it'll last and it won't, the eyeshadow I wear won't mess up or disappear really quickly because of my hoods. All right, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for rocking out with me. I enjoyed filming. I always do, and just chit-chatting with you babes. If you enjoy hanging out with me, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below and join my fam, and let's be virtual friends, yeah? Peace.